In the following video, you will learn how to create a multi-stop trip in FreightWeb's Carrier Optimization Suite. From the home or landing page, select Trips. Add a new trip. Enter the shipment number, contents, and the negotiated rate for the first trip. Enter the pallet quantity, dimensions, and weight. You can also enter multiple reference number lines and instructions, choose a pickup date and a pickup time if applicable, and an address. Click Next. From here, for that first trip, select a delivery location. And then select Add a Stop. For the second leg or trip, enter their shipment number, the contents, and the negotiated rate for that move. Enter all of the commodity information and any additional reference numbers. You'll also see to the right where it'll allow you to do a new date for pickup, and you can choose to use the same pickup location and the same drop-off location, or neither. In this case, I'm going to use the same pickup location and a different drop-off. Select Next. You can now add a second delivery location and click Next. From here, you can actually order the route itself. In this case, the order is fine. You can now click Billing Information and add your billing party. When complete, hit Submit. You can see the trip has now been created successfully, and you can watch the video for Plan a Trip to assign the driver.